and welcome back. Sorry I've not been around for a bit. Varying things have been going on, and just right now I've just escaped the hospital. I had an appointment today for a pre-op, so that's taken a little while, and including doing bloods, which, because of my severe needle phobias, I went into mass panic about, but it's done, so that's that. So what I'm going to do is just get across this road in a minute onto East Park Drive. And I've crossed over the road. Like I say, I am on East Park Drive. So that away, south, is the zoo. Opposite us, just there, is part of the golf club. And the hospital is just over there, where I've just been and escaped from. Oh, I hate going anywhere medical. I really do. So, let's come and calm down in Stanley Park, shall we? Let's go down by Lake. So let's go down here. And we'll just go for a little walk down to the lake. Doesn't this look pretty? Beautiful, beautiful Stanley Park. There's part of the nature reserve lake over there. Looks absolutely lovely. Just try and bring you around a little bit so you can have a look. I can see the cormorants over on the fence sunbathing. It's a nice day. It's a bit nippy, but the sun is out. It was like 7 degrees this morning when I brought the car out. It's very pleasant down here. Just the perfect place for me to come and chill out after that appointment. I wasn't actually expecting them to be doing a blood test, but in a way for me it's better that they did it when I wasn't expecting it. She said, oh, we need a blood test, rather than having an appointment to do one, because if I had an appointment I'd be stressed for 24 hours or more before it happened. That tree has been down like that for years. But I do love it. I've taken a few photos of this tree. It's gorgeous. Oh, we can still hear the traffic on East Park Drive in the background. Now Stanley Park is huge. It is over 300 acres of ground. It's just stopped. I've just seen a squirrel over there. And 22 acres of that is the lakes. This side is the nature reserve. And then you've got the other side, the boating lake, where in summer you can hire little pedal boats and things. So we get all sorts of wildlife down here. And birds, I can see great tits down here, blue tits. All sorts of little birds, it's absolutely stunning. Oh, a little robin there, beautiful. A nuthatch just went firing past me at high speed. So they put all these feeders up, which is absolutely brilliant. It means, you know, you come down, sit with the camera for a while, find yourself a little quiet spot and photograph them. It's great. And I actually can see a couple of rats over there. It's just, I don't think you will be able to see them. Just under this tree. That's as far as I can zoom in. Oh, there's one. There's a few of them coming out for some seeds. I don't know if you can see them. And they've just shot off. Well, one of them has. They're just nipping in and out of the undergrowth over here. Yeah, they've seen me. They're running into hiding. So let's stand quietly for a minute. There's one. Squirrel as well. See the squirrel? There it is. There's a squirrel. You just come round. There. If you can see those rats getting food. Where is he? Oh, can't get him on camera. There he goes. He's come to see if we've got any food. I haven't, because I've just been to the hospital, unfortunately. Oh, there's a nuthatch up there on one of the feeders. Just shot into that tree over there. There it is, hang on. There's the nuthatch. Quick glimpse. I think you can see it. There goes a rolling rat. They're all a bit skittish, but yeah, they're all down here. And there's wrens. And many of these birds and animals I photograph on a regular basis down here. It's one of my favourite places just to come. So I've not done a Stanley Park one for a while. I did do like a full history one on Stanley Park, and I keep saying, oh, I'll come back. So look from here. And we've got moorhens, a couple of swans over there. We've got coots. Look at those lovely reflections. Ooh, that's very nice. I like that. Hang on. Yeah, I just had to grab a couple of photos of that reflection there. Couldn't resist. Obviously, I've not got the big camera with me, so I've just done it on the video camera. But yeah, photo's a photo. Look at these trees. Canopy. It's beautiful in here. Beautiful any time of year. Even when there's no leaves on all the trees. You know, it's starting to fall. It's autumn. There are some evergreen trees down here and some deciduous trees. And we have ringneck parakeets. A flash of beautiful green. And we have woodpeckers down here. Oh, there's all sorts. And you can always hear an ambulance pass or a police car. But that's because we're so close to the hospital. We're about a mile away from Blackpool Tower, just over a mile. And there are a couple of points through Stanley Park where you can actually see the tower peeping over the trees. And as I said in previous videos, this park was actually built in 1926. And it is an absolutely stunning place. It's just lovely. So I can hear the parakeets, I can hear magpies, crows, geese, ducks, obviously swans. That's one of the parakeets. You hear that noise? That's a ringneck parakeet. So this, we're coming up to just the other side of the lake, which heads into the boating lake area. So let's go see who's down here, shall we? There you go. You can see the cormorants there on that fence. We've got a swan here who's just been flexing his wings or her wings. Lots of pigeons. There he is. Oh, so cute. Aren't they lovely, guys? Let's go get a different angle so we're not facing straight into the sun. Okay. Look at this swan here. How cute is that? So yeah, 22 acres of ground these two lakes take up. And I must admit, they are absolutely stunning. Beautiful. Oh, look at me, easily distracted, right? Just come away from the lake, just heading towards the Italian gardens, and I spot the most glorious patch of Rebecca just starting to go over because it's just coming out of its season now. But look at it, it's beautiful. What is not to love about that? Oh, that is gorgeous. And over here, just spotted an echinacea, it's called. It's these heads are quite sort of bristly, but the flowers are stunning. Very much like Rebecca in form, but you get them in all sorts of different colours. Beautiful. Love all these. You've got the walls that date back. You know, the place was built in 1926, opened in 1926, and there's so much history within this park. Some stunning things in here. So if that's creaking, that's my knee. It's bone rubbing against bone. So yeah, I'm falling to bits, guys. I really am. So this is the Italian gardens. And during the summer there's some stunning displays of flowers out here. Absolutely stunning. And of course the water fountain is running in the summer as well. I have filmed that before. So yeah, it looks like we've got some winter bedding starting to go in to these planting areas. It's stunning, isn't it? The clock tower there, Cocker Tower. So quick look at the Garden of Remembrance. Very much done in a cottage garden style, herbaceous borders, mixture of evergreens, perennials, some stunning plants. Okay, well that sparrowhawk then didn't actually get its dinner. I don't think you'll have seen that go across the camera. She was quite low. She came out of this bush here and shot off up this way into these tall trees. No, I don't know where she's gone, so I'll continue. I've come off the path that I was on and I was taking you on there because I got distracted by the sparrowhawk. But that's life. But it gives you a chance to have a look at more of the park, really. Just try and keep ourselves pointing away from the sun as best we can. Okay, so I've no intention of walking us around the whole park, just show you some bits of it really. And over that way there's an Olympic sized running track. Slowly take you around. It's looking rather beautiful out here today, I must admit. Absolutely stunning. And there's people out here walking the dogs. Like I say, you've got all weather pitches. There's football fields. I'm going to wrap it up about here now anyway, guys, because there's a lot of children starting to come out of school and stuff now. And I'm going to be struggling to avoid getting them on camera. So yeah, I'm going to wrap this video up here, and until the next one, I'll catch you all later. So take care and bye for now. Bye.